Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today, we have a clogged water fountain. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons in the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. We will see you inside. Okay, they got the water off already. Evidently it backed up. Somehow this slipped through the cracks of getting checked out because nobody was using it. Let's see what we can find out here. Both water fountains are tied into one line here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this apart right now, see what we got. So maybe it's right here. I doubt it, but maybe we'll get lucky. Alright, what are the odds of it being right here? Johnny baby.
What's up? Good morning.
Good morning. I'll be there at 10 a.m., okay?
10, okay.
Alright, you got it. Bye-bye.
Alright.
What are the odds of me getting this right here, right now? Slim and none. Good morning, CB2. A clogged water fountain. How was CB2 today? Yeah. Say you did good on your grades? Ouch. That was my knuckle.
What's he doing over here?
I'm playing clogged sink. Somehow this slipped through the cracks. I guess it overflowed, maybe?
Yeah, when I turned it off.
I do like these buckets.
Shazam.
I do like them. Of course. Of course it's not in the trap. Ay, ay, ay. I love snakes.
This one's full.
What's that?
This one still has water in it.
Which one?
This one. That one's drained.
Oh, really? Easy enough. You figure it out. All right. Good enough. I'm figuring it was overflowing in the lower one. See, you're a plumber, a secret plumber.
You do everything.
I know you do.
I don't do any of it good. I just do everything.
Jack of all, master of
Master
none.
and none.
That's right. Let's see what we got here, Charles. How's Charles today? Good morning, CB2.
Good morning.
We ready? He's saying that it's this water fountain and not the other one. And this is still holding water. And there's no water coming out of there. Now, how can we get to this drain without taking all this apart? Get my little blue plunger, Chuck. This comes down, continuous waste into a T, then drops into the trap. My go-to plunger. Now that sounds weird. Oh, I can see I see daylight. And guess what? It's starting to drain. Oh God, life is good. This is good news. I thought I was going to have to clean up with a sewer machine, but I should have checked it better on my investigation. So with that, let's put this back together. Final washer, good. All vinyl washers look good. What are the odds of this thing going back together with no problems? Oh, I thought I heard a crack. Now, before I even do this, I should make this all ABS. But I'm not gonna, because I'm gonna try and test it out. What do you think, CB2? It's chrome. The only good thing is the 17 gauge, which is the heavier gauge. I like that about this. I'm surprised they didn't put new water fountains in here, to be honest with you. Yep. We're going to put one water fountain in here. I got a feeling down the road, we're going to be putting in 2 more. Or 1 multi-station, maybe. All right, run some water, CB. Let's see what we got here. Doesn't matter. Run them both. It's raining on me, Chuck. Let her run, dog.
Top one drains slow. Draining.
Okay. Well, we have no leaks. All right. Let me bust out my new tool. Clogged drain. You believe it?
Drain. Something barely used.
Well, I think it's just old stuff, you know, from yesteryear.
Maybe from the back of the 70s. It's only maybe 30 years old.
Let's get to the guts. Now I can see where you can use the angle ratchet. Thank you. So that green line might be clogged right there. Comes down right to there. Let's see what we can do here. This is nice and clear. So. Yes. I think we're gonna have to. See up top? So you can see it actually. A little bit of goo right at the screen level.
Yeah.
Alright, let me get a piece of PEX or something up there. Can you believe someone cemented that drain line? That's crazy. Let me see my colors, Chucky. Oh, you know what? I'll make this work. Am I up top? Oh, there we go. There it goes.
Oh yeah.
Now you see me?
Yeah.
Tell you what, run some water down there. Alright, stop. I'll let that drain down. We'll clean a little bit more. And I'll take a look-see. And then we'll put it back together. What am I hitting? I can't get up there. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
Alright, run it some more. Alright. Can you see it in there?
Yeah, still a good.
Tell you what, let me see. I'll shoot the light up to you, you look down.
Yeah, let's try it. Yeah. Still pretty clogged, dude, but there's like, I see the light. Like half. Clear.
Alright. Do some more. Put the light down and see who's getting it.
We're all on it right now, it's just not coming down.
Am I hitting the grill up there?
Yeah. You're like, you push like this piece of gunk all the way up to it, but it doesn't come back down through. Now you're not up here. Yeah, there you are. Hold on, it's it. Yeah, push it all the way to the grill. I can kind of pull some of it out. Alright.
Any more? Come up. What's it look like up there now?
Better.
Huh?
Better.
Look down the drain.
Uh-oh. Clear.
Alright, run the water. It does seem better. Oh, that's much better. Usually the washers are in bad shape, but since they're all vinyl. What? Yeah. Oh. Finish this up. hear that?
Yeah.
Little tweak. Alright, let's run the water. No leaky.
Good.
Yep. Charles, I think it's a go. This is an old boy. And don't forget to tighten your packing nut. Right here, don't forget. Important. I did turn the water on, guess what? There's a slight little wetness right there.
Let me see my 4-1.
I'll let you know. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You ain't gotta kill it, just make sure that jigger ain't, you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, I'm catching that.
Just so the doors don't pop off. We got the water fountain cleared. Nothing but some old condensation goo dried up. Pretty messy. We'll clean it up and get out of here.
Wow.
What?
They already got the ventnor on their Harvard Square.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Really fun.
Farming?
The sign right here.
Oh, the electronic sign?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see it yet. All right. That's our next adventure.
Already advertising.
Oh, please. He'll be hitting that for the next 6 months until that place is open.
Yeah.
All right, we got her done. Let's see if we can get CB2 to buy into the program. Did we get her done? Did we get her done?
Yeah.
And can we get one today?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Done.
We got her done. And there it goes. Come on.
Another satisfied customer.
I need some more enthusiasm.
That's what we got this morning.
No, that's not good enough. We got her done. We'll see you at the next one.